Oh, get it!
Yes! Sandwich.
I need that. Shit, you do too. Go ahead.
Oh shit. There you go.
Vinehounds!
Oh, yeah.
Mother.
Oh, shit. Ooh! Oh, okay.
You son of a...
Fucker.
Wow.
Oh, he gave us 2 hearts.
Does that count as 2 hits, do you think?
I'm going to...
I keep getting hit though from him.
Well, it's okay, you're getting the heart.
Damn it, didn't give me a heart that time. I don't want to die, I don't want to die.
Ow, I got hit. Oh, yeah.
That's pretty...
You mind if I pause it for a second?
Sure, go ahead.
Be right back.
It's a small world. Everybody is a small world.
Okay, I got the jumbo so we can share. Were you just picking your nose?
No, I had an itch on the inside.
Oh my god, I just kicked his ass. Oh, jeez. I'm like, oh, shiz-nizzle.
Then you do the flip.
Because I'm awesome.
Yeah, but so what do they do after this then?
What do you mean?
Like, how do they get out?
I don't know.
Just
DK
games.
comes back and